Hello, and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. I'm going to be showing you how to make Redbubble designs, T-Public design, Teespring designs, designs that sell. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around to the very end. Please don't click off of this video. My videos are super short. They won't take your time. I'm here to help you make t-shirt designs, stickers, phone cases, designs that sell. So please stick around with me. Don't click off of this video. I want you to watch to the very end. You're definitely going to get something from it. You're going to get inspiration from this. You're going to use it for your own stuff, make passive income doing this. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to open Canva, because yes, as you can see, Canva is what I use to design, and it's easier for you guys to get that because it's a web browser, web-based design tool. So just click on Canva. We're going to be using Canva for this design. This design is going to be super short, so I will advise you to stick around to the very end. Don't click off, just stick around to the very end. It's going to be a super easy design for you guys. So we just click on create a design, custom dimension. The standard you all know by now, but if you're just getting into print of demand, it's going to be 4500 by 5400. That is the standard. It's going to bring out a very good quality for you. So create new, it opens on a new tab. So with this open and set, we're just going to get straight right into our design. We're not going to make too much rounds. We're not going to go through things that are not necessarily needed. So we're just going to go to, let's do elements. So for elements, I'm going to click on, I want to make it a fruit design today. So I'll do pineapple. Let's see if we have a pineapple element we can use. So okay, you see, there's something I want to tell you right from the get-go. If you are serious about print on demand, you're serious about making passive income from print on demand site like Teespring, Redbubble, Match by Amazon, TeePublic, please, I would advise you to get Canva Pro. But there's one gift I have for you. The first link in the description. If you sign up with the first link in the description, you get a whole month free on me. So with that said, we're just going to go in and just look for a pineapple image we want to use. So just look for a pineapple image we want to use for this design. Just look for a pineapple image. So I like this one. It says, so we see this one. So now if we increase it, just increase it a bit. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So what you do is over your mouse to this edge. You over your mouse or your cursor to this edge and you click on that. So you can increase that by dragging outward, or reduce by dragging inward. So I'll just drag that outward. So we have that. Then now the next thing is to add our text. We have this design already up. So we'll just add in. Yes, you can get, I know some of you be asking, but are some free? Yes, you can get some free. Anyone without the crown is free, but you see this one with the crown is not free, not free. So anyone with the crown is free, so you can use that. But I will always advise you, please get Canva Pro, because you need it to remove the white background. You can't remove the background on the free version. So make sure you check out the link in the description, the first link in the description to get that done. So now we'll go to text. For this one, I'm just going to make it a simple text. So I'm just going to click on that. This one is going to say, this is me. Yep. So that's what this one is going to say. This is me. I'm going to increase that a bit. So now I'm going to change the color. To change the color of this text, I'm just going to go over to colors and make this yellow, or okay, make it this color. So now we just click out and click out again and just drag that downwards. So it says, this is me. So as you can see, it says this is me, but I want to make it go in like this, or take it take it backwards. So to do that, I'll just click on send back. So you can see it says this is me. As you can see the is. So what I'm going to do is to duplicate this layer. I'll just duplicate this layer. So to do that, I press my Alt key button on my keyboard. I'll just press my Alt key button and just press my left mouse click button also. I'll just click that downwards to duplicate. So now I'm just going to change this. I'll highlight that, Control A to highlight all, and this one is just going to say is. So this one is just going to say it's me. Sorry, is. So I'll change the color of the is, change it to yellow. Change it to yellow. So we'll move that. Let's see how that looks if we move that up. So you're going to bring that forward. Bring forward. So like so. Now you have that just like so. So you can see it's a simple design. It's not complicated. So let's see if I change this to a smaller font, like say like so. Let's see how that looks. No, I think we should leave it on capital letters. So let's see how green looks on this. Okay, that looks more better. So for this, let's see if yellow fits better. Okay, to me it looks better. It looks better if you ask me. So just go over. Now that we have our design, ready for us. Now click on download. As you can see, I will say this again for the third time and final time. As you can see, you can use the transparent background on the free version of Canva. So you need Canva Pro. But I got you covered if you believe in me. The first link in the description, make sure you click that link now. Sign up with that link. Make sure once you sign up, don't be scared if they ask you to leave your details. Don't be scared. You're going to get 1 full month free on me. So make sure you sign up with that link. Then you can come back and make your designs, and then you can remove the background. So with that said, I'm just going to click on download. It's going to prepare our download for us. So as you can see, we'll go over show folder. As you can see, this is our design. If you click on it, as you can see, it has the white background. But definitely on the cover or my thumbnail, you definitely would have been seeing this now without the white background yet, because I have Pro. So I'm going to do it without the white background. So for you guys, just get your designs. Make sure you get Pro to get this done. And you can see it didn't take us a lot of time. To get this done. It just took us about 8 minutes to get this done, and we are good to go. So with that said, to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I will see you on the next video. Stay blessed, stay loved. One love.